Okay. So the number 1, otu, abụọ. Everybody pay attention. Look on the screen. Atọ, anọ, ise, isii, asaa, asatọ, itenaane, iri. At least know your numbers from 1 to 10. Know the numbers 1 to 10. Okay? You have to know it to be able to answer questions in numbers. So we're going to do it again. Otu. Some people say ofu. Speak your dialect. That is okay. If you say ofu mobotu, it is the same thing. Okay, it is not wrong. Otu. Abụọ. Atọ. Anọ. Ise. Isii. Asaa. Asatọ. Pay attention to number 6. Isii. Not isi. Isi. You have to say it right. Asa. Some people say esa. Okay, so that's why I put it there. Asato. Itenane. Some people say itolu. Mobi tegete. Any of them is okay. Okay? Now, turn up again. Iri. Now, this is the formula. And that's why it's very important to pay attention. Because if we pay attention and learn this formula, you will get any number that is thrown at you, okay? So, iri bu 10, right? You see the reason I say you have to learn 1 to 10 is because once you cross iri, the rest of them, you start plugging number 1, 2, 3, 4. Now, 10 is what? Iri. Now, 11 is going to be 10 and the 1, right? 10 and the 1. If you don't know your number 1, you won't be able to say it. If you don't know number 2, you won't be able to say it. So you start plugging in 1 to 9 again. Iri, na. You have to put preposition in the middle. The preposition na, N-A. Look at it on the screen here. The preposition N-A. 11 is iri na otu. This is how you're going to continue to do that. Iri na abụọ. If you don't know 1 to 10, you won't be able to do this. That's why I said, learn your numbers 1 to 10. You have to. You must learn it. Iri is 10. Now you're beginning to plug 1 to 9. To iri na otu. Iri na abụọ. Iri na atọ. Iri na anọ. Iri na ise. Iri na isii. Iri na asaa. Iri na asatọ. Iri na itoolu. Mob, you can say iri na itenaane. Or you can say iri na itegete. Choose whichever one you like to say. If you want to say iri na itoolu, that's fine. Okay? Now, when you cross 19, which is iri na itoolu, then 20 will be iri abụọ, which is 10. Don't forget, iri, 10 means what? Iri. Now, 20 will be what? Iri abụọ. You see how the pattern goes. Now, I start plugging in the number again. Iri abụọ na otu. Iri abụọ na atọ. You see that? Now, from what I said now, let me call somebody to tell me. What would be 30? Amanze. Amanze, Guinea will be 30. Amanze, Guinea will be 30. Okay, Amanze is not answering me. Zizi, Guinea will 50. Since you know the whole number now, remember the pattern. Iri, iri abụọ, iri atọ, so if you don't know your numbers 1 to 10, you won't be able to do it. Zizi, Guinea with 50.
Iri ano.
Zizi, I want you, when I ask you a question, I need you to repeat the number. 50 ball. So Zizi, could say it loud.
50 ball. Iri Ise.
Iri said, there you go. Rihanna. Rihanna, again with 70.
Oh, it's not on the phone. 70 bu.
Huh?
70 bu. Iri asa.
Iri asa, dalo Rihanna. You see, that's the pattern. You have to know your thing. See, 30 bu iri ato, 40 bu iri ano, 50 bu iri ise, 60 bu iri isii, 70 bu iri asa. There you go. Now, but don't make mistake here. That's a big difference, 50 and 15. Okay, now, Chisom, get it with 15. Get it with 15, Chisom.
15 bụ iri na ise.
There you go. So everybody see, 15 is not the sentence as 50. 50 bu iri ise. 15 is the one you put preposition. You see that? All the whole numbers, no na. Don't put preposition. But 15, 13, 12, 11, 13, what if 11 to 19, you have to put preposition. Don't forget that. Now, Daluchi, Guinea was 17, Daluchi. There's a difference between 17 and 70. Daluchi, Guinea was 17.
Iri
That-
na asa.
Now, remember the format. When I ask you a question, Guinea was 17, you see, 17, bo. Don't forget that, because you don't say it, you're going to lose point. Don't forget, we're going to try next week. And then next 2 weeks will be the final. Okay. Daluchi Guinea was 70
17 bu iri na asa.
or 17. Okay, Guinea was 70, 70. Daluchi.
Oh, okay. 70 bu iri asa.
There you go. So he got it. That's the way you answer the question. When I ask you 70, don't tell me Irina Asa. And when I ask 17, you tell me Iri Asa. No. Pay attention. So 11 to 19 is the one you put preposition. And now 21 to 29, preposition. 31 to, so, but the whole numbers, no preposition. Now pay attention. You see it here.
I thought you said 17. Sorry.
It's okay. You got both of them. Yeah, I asked you both of them. You got it. That's okay. So now, everybody, the whole numbers, no preposition. Iri ato, iri ano, iri ise, iri isi, iri asa. Now, you see iri 77. You see how we answer 77? Iri asa, na asa. That's where you put preposition. Okay? So, everybody, let me back up again, because we're going to go back to answering questions in numbers again. All right? So, otu, abụọ, atọ, anọ, ise, isii, asaa, asatọ, itenaani, iri. Or you can say itolu, or you can say itegete, whichever one you like best. Chisom, I see your hand up. You have a question. Chisom is
Mba.
Igbo. Okay,
Mba.
okay, lower your hand, Dalo. Chukwuemeka, do you have a question? Okay, all right. So now, once you get to Iri, okay, when you're going to 11, Iri na otu, Iri na abụọ, Iri na atọ, Iri na ise. You see the pattern here? Iri na isi. If you don't know 1 to 10, you won't be able to do it. You must learn your numbers 1 to 10 first. Because you don't know it, you can plug it in. You have to know it. Iri na itenane. Na 20. The whole numbers, remember, no preposition. Preposition is na, N-A. No preposition. 20, iri abụọ. 30, iri atọ. If I say 31, let me get somebody here. Amarachi. Amarachi M. Amarachi. Gene wo 31. Amarachi Gene wo 31. Amarachi, I'm waiting for you. Amarachi M.
31 for iri atọ na otu.
There you go, Amarachi Dalo. There you go. Now, Amarachi Gene with 20. Amarachi Gene with 20. The same Amarachi.
20 bụ iri abụọ.
There you go. See, there's a difference between the whole number and when you're adding number to it. Okay, Chimde. Chimde Gene with 79.
79 bụ iri asaa na asaa.
There you go, Dalo Chimde. Awesome. Amanze. Amanze Gene wo 52. Amanze, you need to answer now. Gene 52. Okay, if you are not talking, then you are not here with us. Let me get another person here. Chidubem. Chidubem is a Gene water 10. Chidubem.
Iri
Chidubem, I want you to repeat the number. 13 bo. And then you answer, okay?
13 bụ iri na atọ.
Dalu Chidubem, awesome. Tobenna Gene bo 5. Tobenna Gene bo 5. Tobenna Gene wo 5.
Ina
Okay. Tobenna 5 for bo. Ise. Can you say that?
ise
5 for bo. Ise Tobenna. I want you to say it like that.
bụ ise. Ise
Mba. Tobenna, I want you to say 5 for bo. Ise. Come on, I want you to say it. 5 for bo. Ise Tobenna. Tobenna,
Yes.
come on, I'm waiting.
ise
You're making me to cry now, Tobenna. Okay, you get it. I'll come back to you again. Chukwude Gene wo 19. Chukwude.
Afam bụ Chimbusoma.
Oh, no, I asked Chukwu. Is Chukwude not here? Okay, Chimbusama Gene bo 19.
19 bụ iri itoolu na
No. Chimbusama. Okay, Kusi, I want you to speak up. Gene bo 19.
19 bụ iri na itoolu.
Dalo Chimbusama. Shimsonarim Gene bo 14.
14 bụ iri na anọ.
Dalo Shimsonarim 14 bụ iri na anọ. Chukwuemeka Ọhagwụ Gene bo 70. Chukwuemeka Ọhagwụ Gene bo 70. Unmute yourself. Okay. See, some people are hiding, all right? Kene. See Kene. I saw Kene. Okay, Jaden, Gene wo 7. Chukwuemeka, clean what you're writing on the screen right now. You will not answer question, but you're drawing on the screen. Clean it right away, Chukwuemeka, right now. Jaden, Gene bo 14, Jaden. No, Jaden, Gene bo 12.
14.
Jaden. Gịnị bụ 12? Jaden.
12 bụ iri na abụọ.
Dalo, Jaden. Dalo. Chukwuemeka, I'll get on you after class. You are here, you won't talk, but you are going to be drawing, right? All right. Ihe dị m n'uche. Gịnị bụ 99?
99 bụ iri itenaani na itenaani.
Dalo, ihe dị m n'uche. Okay, now we're gonna get it to 100 now. When you count all the way to 90, which is iri itenaani, now you start plugging in 1 to 9 again. Iri itenaani na otu, iri itenaani na abụọ, iri itenaani na atọ, iri itenaani na isi. The same pattern, the same pattern. Now until you get to what? 100. 100, it changes. Nare. 100 is nari. Forget about Ogise. We don't do that one anymore. But that's the olden way, the way our forefathers used to, our ancestors used to count numbers. They don't count, they count Ogu, Ogise, Oguano, Oguato, Ohu, Ohu notu. So things like that. But this is the way we count it now. So nari is 100. Now, the same format. Nari na otu. Narị na abụọ, narị na atọ, narị na anọ. You see, the same pattern. Okay? So now know that your 100 is nari. So you keep counting, keep counting, keep counting. You get to what? 1,000, right? But first of all, you get to, let's say, 199. Then the next thing will be 200, right? 200 is nari abụọ. Per 100, you can say nari, or you can say otu nari. Otu nari. I want you to pay attention because it's going to change. Mob, you can say nari. It's nari. But you can say also otu nari. Both of them are correct. Otu nari. Or you can say nari. Now, when you keep counting nari na otu, nari na abụọ, nari na atọ, we're not going to sit down here and do that. You get to 200, it turns into what? Nari abụọ, 200 will be what? Nari abụọ. Don't tell me abụọ nari. No. Nari abụọ. Once you cross, once it's plural, anything that is one, it's okay to say otu nari. But when you go to two, nari abụọ, nari atọ. Excuse me. So don't tell me abụọ nari. No. Okay? The number comes last when it's plural. Number comes last. Then the noun is first. Okay? Number will come last if it's plural. But if it's singular, which is one, the number comes first, which is otu nari. But if it's three, you say nari ato. If it's five, nari se. Don't tell me you say nari. That is wrong. Now, you keep counting and keep counting until you get to 1,000. 1,000 is what? Puku. 1,000 is what? Puku. I want you to pay attention to that. So, when you count to puku, all right? Now, let me put this one here. This should be. So, puku, I want somebody to tell me what is, now that we know what is puku. So, somebody tell me what is 999. Chinua. It's Chinua here. Chinua, gịnị bụ 999?
999 bụ narị iteghete na iri iteghete na iteghete.
Awesome! Yeah, Chinua nwetara ya. Up you. There you go. There you go. Chinua, dalo, dalo. Chinua, super, super. Not it, no, even though Chinua used itegete. Don't forget we said itegete, itolu, itenani, they are the same. So Chinua is right. Chinua likes using itegete, and we're gonna use itegete for Chinua. Itegete. There you go. Chinua said, nari itegete, na iri itegete, na itegete. So it means itolu or itenani. Don't forget they mean the same thing. Just pick the one you like and say it, okay? Na itegete. All right, there you go. Chinua dalo. Chinedum. Chinedum ohaya. Chinedum genepo. 1,000. Chinedum genepo. 3,897. 3,897. Chinedum. Chinedum. 3,897.
3,897 bu puku ato.
Puku ato.
Nari asato.
Nare asato. Awesome.
Na iri ategete.
Na iri tegete.
Na asa.
Oh, wow. Iri tegete. Na asa. Dalo Chinedum. Boy, super. Dalo. Okay. Did you all see how Chinua and Chinedum answered this question? So let me try. Let's go down more. Now you keep counting 1,000 where puku na otu, puku na abo, puku na. Don't forget 100 is what? Nare. 1,000 is what? Puku. Now we're gonna keep going down. You keep counting again. Puku na otu, puku na ato, puku na iri tenani, puku na iri tenani na itene. So you keep going until you get to what? Million. Now 1 million is what? 1 million or million, okay, is nde. A million is what? Nde. So I want you to know that 1 million is nde. When you have 4 million, 4 million is what? Nde ano. Now you have 4,008,900. Now, you see how we are going to put them together. Come see. Stop writing on the screen. We don't want that. I want you to pay attention because you're going to get the question coming to you. You have to be ready to answer. Stop playing around. I need you to listen and learn while you are in this class. Stop playing. Please, everybody. Now, everyone pay attention. So, 1 million is what? Nde. Now, when you say 4 million, remember I say, or you can say otunde. You can say nde, but you say otu nde. It is the same thing. Otu. Come on. Sometimes he changes it to English. Otu nde. Now, if you have 4 million, then the number will come last. You say nde ano, right? Break it down, just like you do it in school. The English words, okay? Nde ano. You know what is 1,000? 1,000 is puku, right? Now, this one is 8,000. There's good. Nde ano, 8,000 should be what? Puku asato. You see that? And then 900 is what? 100 is what? Nare. So if you break it down like this, it will be easier. Now, 900 will be what? Nari itenane, mobi nari tolu, mobi nari tegete. That's how you break it down and you won't miss it. You should get it. Okay. So 1 million in there. 1 billion is what? Kosi, ume, kosi, stop. Get your hand off the screen. Get your hand off your screen. I need you to listen. Now, 1 billion is njeri. Njeri is billion. Otu njeri. Now, 100 is what? Nare. 1,000 is what? Puku. Million is what? Nde. Billion is what? Njeri. Now I start counting. Njeri na otu, njeri na abo, njeri na ato, njeri na no. Every country, they have their own. Spanish, they have their own. So every country have their own. So that's the same way. You need to learn your language, how to count in your language. Okay? All right. So uncountable, we say, just like when it comes to water, you can't count water. You can't count sand. You cannot do that. It's called agotage ono. Make sure you know that word. Agotage ono. It means uncountable. Infinity, something that is forever. Agotage ono. But now, I need to try somebody here. Let me pick on somebody here. Zara abo. Zara gene ebo 100. Zara. Zara 100 abụghị puku mba. Let me try another person. Tochi. Okay, yeah, 100 bụ narị. Okay, Tochi. Tochi gịnị wụ? Million. Tochi. Tochi gịnị bụ million? We have only one Tochi here, so go ahead. Okay, Tochi is not answering. Chika Okeke. Chika Okeke, which is William. William, gene wo million.
One million, nde.
Nde, dalo. Xavier, gene wo Xavier. Unmute yourself. Gene wo puku. Gene puku Xavier.
A pukubu.
Pukubu.
What is it? You know this one.
Come on, Xavier, you don't get it. I'm coming to take you and you're going to stay with me for 1 week. You want that? I don't think you want that. Gene wo puku Xavier.
Pukubu one time. Say
A pukubu, 1,000.
There you go, Xavier. There you go. Kate. Kate, Genebo. 5, Kate. Genebo, 5, Kate.
say 5 boo.
5 boo.
And then what is it?
Huh?
Ise.
Ise. Kate, can you say Ise?
Ise.
There you go. Tochi. Tochi, Genebo, 10. I'm back to you again, Tochi. You have to talk now.
10 for 30.
Okay, Tochi, you need to speak up now. Genebo, 10.
10 for 30.
10 biri dalo. Chinonso mado Genebo 12. Chinonso Genebo 12.
Say 12.
Chinonso, speak up. Chinonso mado Genebo 12. Chinonso. Come on, Chinonso, I'm waiting.
Say 12. 12. Boo. Boo. Iri. Na. Abo.
Tell mommy, I'm gonna fight her right now. She should leave you alone. Okay. Let me ask her. Chinonso, say it again. Genebo 12. Chinonso, speak up. Even if you don't get it, I'll tell you, okay?
12.
Mm-hmm.
Boo. Iri. Na. Abo.
All right, Chinonso 12 bụ iri na abụọ. Okay, Ebube. Gịnị bụ 97? Ebube, gịnị bụ 97? Ekene, gịnị bụ 97? If I add, remember, When you're doing a contest, you have 10 seconds. Your time starts counting when the question is asked. You have to answer and you have to unmute yourself here. I don't want you to waste a whole lot of time before answering question. It will begin able 17.
Irina.
You have to say the number 17, Bo. This is the format you're supposed to use. You don't use it, they're going to disqualify you or maybe count off a point. So 17, Bo. Ngwa.
17 more. Irina Asa.
Irina sa ekene gịnị bụ one ekene
The one
Man.
bull
Four.
what?
ekene gịnị bụ one? You know it, I know.
One bull.
One ball.
Oh,
One. Four. A ball.
Oh,
No.
I like that. There you go. Let it. At least you can count. That's good. Okay. Ekene dalo. All right. So everybody now listen up. I know we don't have enough time to get to everybody because I have another class. Okay. So listen up. Practice your numbers. I'm going to post it again. We're going to have a mock contest next week. Get ready to contest. Everybody will contest until we narrow it down to 3 people. Okay? We narrow it down to 3 people, and then we're going to do the final one here on Zoom. But next week, we're going to have a number contest. Don't miss class because of that. You have to participate, everybody. So I will post the numbers, okay? I want you to practice. But then, please, tell your parents if you don't have phone, if you're not on the forum, the auntie sent a topic for everybody to write on. But under 10 years old, parents pay attention. They don't have phone. I'm going to send out their own, what they're going to practice, do with you and record. All right. I'll give you 1 minute. If you don't have a question, we dismiss. But I would like to hear everybody telling me, see you next time in Igbo. Okay, no question. No. How do you say it? How do you say it, everybody? All right. Okay, bye.